Bitcoin price prediction. BTC retraces to 38.2% Fibonacci level and bounces back. After surpassing the crucial 38.2% Fibonacci retracement line, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, has significantly recovered. This technical level served as a solid support and helped the market go in the bullish direction. The recent drop in Bitcoin's price has been overcome by its tenacity and recovery, suggesting that the upward trend may continue. In this Bitcoin price prediction, we'll examine the likely outcomes for the price of the cryptocurrency in the near future while also analyzing the recent price movement. Debt ceiling talks affect the crypto market as investors track the development. The US posted unexpectedly strong GDP and unemployment data, but cryptocurrency investors were more interested in the debt ceiling negotiations. Undoubtedly, concerns about debt limits are having an effect on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. The US government's debt ceiling negotiations are at a standstill, and the outcome will determine whether it can pay its debts in June. The White House and Republican lawmakers reported some progress in the negotiations on Thursday, but no decision has yet been made to prevent the country from defaulting. Market players are eagerly awaiting any cue so they may make an informed judgment. BottlePay announces closure and requests that users withdraw their fiat money and bitcoins. Customers should withdraw their bitcoins as the well-known consumer bitcoin service BottlePay has stated it would close on Monday, July 24, 2023. Before the mentioned closure date, users are urged to withdraw money from the BottlePay app in either Bitcoin or fiat currency, GBP, EUR, as the company will then close all accounts. If money is not taken out before the closing date, it will be converted to fiat money and transferred back to the specified bank account. Any remaining fiat will also be transferred back to the associated bank account. When choosing alternative custodial wallets or converting Bitcoin to fiat currency, users were urged to use caution. The removal of digital assets from the app and market is another factor pushing the BTC/USD exchange rate lower. DeSantis promises to defend Bitcoin. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has declared his bid for the presidency in 2024 and promised to protect Bitcoin if chosen. DeSantis, an outspoken proponent of Bitcoin, has criticized the federal government's lack of regulation and openness regarding cryptocurrencies. Additionally, he has approved legislation that forbids Floridians from using central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Several potential contenders for the 2024 US presidential election have made the use of Bitcoin and CBDCs a hot topic. In a speech at the Bitcoin 2023 conference, Robert F. Kennedy, a recent candidate for the Democratic presidential nomination, endorsed Bitcoin. In the interim, the Biden administration has put forth a new tax on Bitcoin miners. DeSantis backing increases BTC/USD prices on Friday. The Norges Bank, Norway's central bank, has hinted that it might take a different tack when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. Norges Bank included a substantial section on cryptocurrency assets and the current debate over whether Norway's market regulation should be based on foreign regulatory models in its annual financial infrastructure report. Effective regulation may encounter difficulties given the relative novelty of crypto assets. The bank brings up an open question about whether current legal frameworks are adequate for regulating cryptocurrencies. The bank has also stated its plan to publish the results of a current investigation into central bank digital currencies later this year. The value of BTC/USD is being impacted by the growing global trend of cryptocurrency legislation, including those in Norway, Japan, and South Korea. Price prediction for Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is currently at $26,456, up almost 1% from the previous day. Following the public endorsement of DeSantis, a well-known individual, for the top cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, Bitcoin's value has recently increased. Based on statistics from British Trading, the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, displayed a decreasing tendency on Friday. According to data collected over a 2-hour period, it was unable to overcome the 26,600 resistance threshold. Below the 26,600 level, the existence of doji and spinning top candles suggests a waning bullish momentum and the potential for sellers to seize the initiative. Because of this, it is anticipated that Bitcoin will find immediate support near the 26,000 mark, and a break below it might trigger a further slide below the next support level at 25,800. We see conflicting signals when we look at the important technical indicators, such as the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Relative Strength Index, RSI. A divergence is indicated by the MACD being in a buying zone while the RSI is in a selling zone. Consequently, it could be wise to proceed cautiously and wait for confirmation from successive Bitcoin candle closings below the 26,600 mark before thinking about taking a selling position. On the other hand, if Bitcoin is able to pass through the 26,600 level, it may aim for the next resistance level at 27,000 or even higher, even as high as 27,400. Given these elements, the recommended course of action for today is to take into account selling below 26,600, with a take-profit level of roughly 26,000.